Okay, so I'm going to introduce my new products. These are super mixes. They are dry mixes from coconut milk powder, and coconut sugar is the base for all of them. Then I add medicinal spices and herbs to it. One is cacao cinnamon, has antioxidant properties. I have cinnamon, ginger, turmeric. That one has anti-inflammatory properties. And I have cardamom, rosemary, which has antimicrobial properties. All of these three flavors, the base is the same. Coconut milk powder, which has MCT oil, and it is important for cognitive function, increasing cognitive function. And coconut sugar has relatively lower glycemic index compared to table sugar, so it doesn't give you that sugar rush, sugar crush that table sugar will do. The cacao cinnamon flavor is good with coffee, is good with hot chocolate, is good sprinkled on top of vanilla ice cream. The cinnamon, ginger, turmeric is, you could just add it to the water, to the milk, to coconut milk, or you could add it, mix it with your oatmeal, with your mascamule if you are a drinker. With the cardamom rosemary, you could put it in matcha tea, in green tea, in pistachio ice cream, in Greek yogurt. Also with cocktail, mocktail, you could add it too. And I have a chef who's my customer, and he uses it in goat cheese and mixes it with goat cheese and then puts it in the funnel and uses it to decorate his dishes with.